386 श्री कुंदरू रघुवीर।
यस सर, इधर है सर।
Thank you, Speaker, sir. Sir, in our district...
प्रश्न संख्या बोलिए आप।
386, sir.
माननीय मंत्री जी।
The answer is being laid on the table of the House, sir.
माननीय सदस्य, honorable member.
Sir, for our district ODOP product, one district, one product, sweet orange is being identified, sir, but there is a commercial limitation for that. So, because of its lemon content, high lemon content in that, sir. So, if there is any government has any plans to collaborate Central Food Technological Research Institute or any processing technology, if it can be developed, so it can be commercially viable, sir.
Sir, this was the question that was asked by the honorable member, and the reply has been given in detail. Sir, as we all know that in the federal structure of our country, agriculture is a state subject, and this is specifically related to the production quality. It's not related to the processing. It's related to the production quality, which brings in these commercial limitations. Having said that, sir, ODOP is a subject in which a product is being selected. It is a scheme that's being floated by the central government, in which the product is being selected is referred by the state government. That is given by the state government only, that in particular district, which product state government recommends, that is being selected as ODOP. If any changes that the state government recommends, that would definitely be taken into consideration. Having said this, sir, there are a couple of schemes that's been floated by the central government. I would want to bring this on record through the honorable member and through you, sir, so that this can be conveyed to the state government as well. There are multiple schemes that have been floated by the central government, in which, sir, specifically for these the micro enterprises. You know, there's a scheme of PMFME, in which the central government has released an amount of 127.74 crores, in which a matching share from the state has to be released, which is equivalent to 61.46 crore. That means a total of 189.20 crore is what is there with the state government, in which they can suggest processing, they can suggest how to improve the quality of the production. But unfortunately, sir, I just want to bring this on record, but unfortunately, only 88.87 crore that is being utilized by the state government as of now. If they really utilize the complete amount, I think we can always work on the R&D also of the produce, and also how can we increase the commercial expansion of the product as well. Thank you, sir.
Honorable member supplementary. No. Question number 386.